Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Facebook for SEO engagement easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a Facebook business page if you don't have one. Choose a name that reflects your brand and is relevant to your niche. Fill in all the necessary information in the About section, including a detailed description, website link, and contact details. Use targeted keywords in your page's description to enhance discoverability. Upload high-quality images for your profile and cover photo that align with your brand identity. Begin posting engaging content regularly to attract your audience. Share blog posts, articles, and insights related to your industry to establish authority. Utilize Facebook's native video feature to create and upload engaging videos, as video content tends to generate more interaction. Encourage audience participation by asking questions or inviting feedback in your posts. Join Facebook groups related to your niche to share your expertise and connect with potential customers. Actively engage with members by responding to comments and contributing to conversations. Optimize your posts using relevant hashtags that will help categorize your content. Analyze your post performance using Facebook Insights to identify which types of content resonate most with your audience. Adjust your strategy accordingly based on your findings to maximize engagement. Consider running Facebook ads to promote your content to a wider audience. Retarget those who have previously engaged with your content to keep them interested. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and informed. Use call to action buttons effectively to encourage further engagement from your followers. By following these steps, you can leverage Facebook as a valuable tool for SEO engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.